Feeding the world is a big job. Most people never learn what it takes to fill the plate on their dinner table. It takes respect for the land, strength to do the job, skill developed and passed down generation to generation, and family to remind us why we do it. And when they all come together on one farm, you'll find gold growing there.
The target is you. If you leave us standing all alone at the altar, daddy's daughter got a Smith and Wesson pistol that her daddy bought her hidden in a garter, and she ain't afraid to use it. It's up to you. Why you gonna be blood? Just blood in the water, 'cause she can't help but knowing what her daddy taught, and she's her daddy's daughter.
Quality like this doesn't come from careless hands. While others reuse the same genetics to the point of decay, Carolina Golds are only grown from first and second generation stocks. These hardy roots are brought up in rich soil and clean rains, which is why we're never surprised to find the most flavorful and the most reliable sweet potatoes in the world growing here in eastern North Carolina. They're harvested with hands that have lived and worked in these fields for decades, and those same hands guide our products every step of the way through the most advanced sorting and packaging process in modern farming. With the most modern technology and the most experienced hands in the game. Well, like we said, quality like this doesn't come from careless hands. The future of this farm depends on the choices we make today. Our commitment to sustainable farming isn't a choice. It's the only way we know. And because of that stewardship, every new generation that works these fields has found the same fertile soil and strong roots as the generation before them. We produce 50 million pounds of products on 8,000 acres of farmland with 250 employees spanning 4 generations, and we've done it all while maintaining a level of care and commitment to our customers that only a family can bring. It takes a big family to farm this land, and we've got the biggest family there is. Come and join the family. Vick Family Farms.